How to make a coffee rinse to grow your hair. We all know that caffeine can give you an energy boost, but one study found that it may also have growth promoting effects on your hair. According to this study, caffeine may help promote new hair growth at the molecular, cellular, and organ levels in both men and women. Whether you're looking to stop hair loss, dye your hair, or improve the texture of your locks, making a coffee rinse is simple. What you'll need: 2 to 4 cups of brewed, completely cooled coffee spray or applicator bottle, plastic shower cap. You'll need 2 to 4 cups of brewed coffee, depending on the length of your hair. Let the coffee cool completely, and then pour the brew into a spray bottle or an applicator bottle. Wash and condition your hair as normal. While your hair is still wet, spray or apply the brewed coffee to your hair, making sure to saturate your strands. After applying, massage the coffee into your hair and scalp for a few minutes. Apply a shower cap and allow the rinse to sit on your hair and scalp for about 20 minutes. For an extra layer of moisture, mix your favorite leave-in conditioner with the brewed coffee before applying to your hair. After 20 minutes, rinse the coffee from your hair with cold or lukewarm water and then pat dry. Do try this once. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.